Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Tuesday morning weather hazard briefing for southeast Idaho. Looking at satellite imagery this morning, we continue to see a high-pressure ridge across the west. However, looking further out into the Pacific, we have low-pressure systems here moving through the Gulf of Alaska and the northeast Pacific, all of which will come into play in the forecast over the next 7 days. Here we are looking at the forecast charts for this afternoon. That low-pressure system that was moving through the Gulf now topping that ridge now and digging southeast towards Montana and the Dakotas. We can see that in this wiggle in the lines here. And along with that disturbance will come some precipitation working in through Washington State, the Idaho Panhandle, and Montana. Daytime highs today, generally running in the 40s to mid-50s here down near Burley in the Snake River Plain, and generally in the lower 40s to lower 50s throughout the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. That disturbance works south and east of the region by 5 a.m. Wednesday morning. We'll still see some trailing showers up along the Montana and Wyoming Divide regions. I think probably the best place to see any precipitation, at least in southeast Idaho, would be Island Park and the Driggs area by 5 a.m. Wednesday morning. The ridge rebounds across the region by Wednesday afternoon, so we should see things drying pretty quickly throughout the day. Our next storm system works into the Pacific Northwest here on Friday. Here we are showing the disturbance right here working into Idaho. And along with that will be another round of precipitation, primarily for Washington, the Panhandle, and maybe some lighter amounts here within the Central Mountains and to a lesser extent across the Southeast Highlands. Not a huge change in temperatures. Still looking at highs generally in the upper 40s and 50s throughout the Snake River Plain, and lower 40s to lower 50s within the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. The ridge rebounds across the region once again Saturday afternoon as that disturbance pushes off to the east. We should see some drying, although there is quite a bit of moisture still working up over the top of the ridge here, so it may provide some fuel for light shower activity, especially up along the Montana Divide here. Our next storm system comes in sometime Monday night, Tuesday. Today's latest models were showing things slowing down by about 12 hours, so over what we saw yesterday. So next storm system looks like late Monday night, Tuesday. And precipitation expected to accompany that across most of the northwest states here by Tuesday morning. That's all I had for you here this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please give us a call here at the number on the screen. Thank you.